Yes, you're raiding the sweets yet again. Raiding the sweets yet again.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? The driver has to peel his own sweets while driving, while navigating.
Bag is wading through. Do you need some help?
No, I mean you just sit there.
No, it's taking the dogs for a walk. Here we are. Molly, Penny. Come on. Morning, it's Monday the 5th.
Something like that, yeah.
And we spent the night in Montpellier, on our way to Spain, trying to find the sun. It's still absolutely chucking it
It's like
down
Siberia
with rain.
here.
It's freezing.
Blowing a gale. What hair I've got nearly got blown away. So.
But we had a good night. It was warm enough in the van.
Yeah, I think because she left the heater on all night. I woke up about 3 o'clock in the morning and I thought, blimey, it's hot in here.
Yeah.
Roaring away, it was 18 or something.
It wasn't deliberate.
No, I know it wasn't deliberate. No.
Yeah, so we're all good. Hi to the kids, shout out to all the kids, looking after the house and the pets, the chickens and the ducks and what have you. We are thoroughly enjoying ourselves.
Yeah. Don't know what I brought shorts for.
We are going to find some sun and we are going to wear our shorts.
Yeah, if we go to somewhere like Morocco.
Yeah, well, we might do. Nothing's planned, nothing's booked. We just got to remember we're meant to be back in a month. Otherwise we'll be in trouble.
I take it they don't have any visas or anything to get into Morocco.
I don't think so. I think you just get on a boat.
Well, I know you just get on a boat. I mean, you can get on a plane, but you might have to have
I don't know.
some sort of stuff that I haven't actually looked into.
I'll Google it. Yeah. I love a bit of Googling.
Probably got. I'm supposed to have about half a dozen injections as well.
Yeah. The dogs are fine. I don't know if you can see them in the back there. Yeah. They're sitting there. They're fine. They're loving a bit of travelling.
No, they like a bit of walking. They're not keen on the travelling.
So, and they like the up and closeness at night of sleeping all huddled in a van. So, but no, it's good, and we're going to go and we're going to go down to Lloret de Mar and see if we can find a bit of sun. So we'll catch you later. Bye for now.